Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to change text direction in Excel chart. So let's start this in my Excel and here you can see I have data and here you can see I already created column chart. So I'm going to text direction change of the chart title. Simply right click on the chart title to change the text direction. After that just click on the format chart title. Here you can see the format chart title is open. Okay, and in titles option click on the third option, size and properties. Just click on it, and in alignment there is a second option, text direction. Okay, so current text direction is a horizontal. If you want to change, just click on this drop down arrow and here you can see different text direction is available. If you want to rotate all text 90-degree, just click on it and here you can see your text direction is changed. Okay, I close this and you can set here anywhere your chart title if you want to set. Okay, I'll just click on and want to set here. Okay, you can set this. Okay, so this is a way you can change the text direction of the chart title in Excel chart. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.